Who the fuck wants some smoke? Who the fuck want this smoke? Who the hell wants some smoke? Be shiny on my motherfucking throat. The nigga I'm not to be played with. I already know I'm a O. I already know I'm a O. I'ma gonna run your whole street. You don't even wanna talk to me. The bitch, you already know this shit. You can't talk shit, but you can't pop shit. I already know that you can't watch shit. I pull out with that motherfucking glock. Hop out with that glock. Too many on my shots. 12 try to hit the back, they try to walk off. They want my fall off. So I cannot hit the U-turn on that shit. So I won't ball them in the all them. You know I'm in that phone. You know I'm in that 68. I'm in that 68. I'm in that 1000. 200 in my running. Blue jacket is coming. And rapping for my shirt. I be 10 foot. A nigga tryna get my Ricky. The bitch, what you wanna cook it? I be fucking on that bitch with her on my 10 toes. Running with that shit, I know they try to tell me. Hey, that be ass as hell, bro. I cannot rap on that beat.